How are you? Today we're going to talk about how you know when your wife or when you are pregnant. So usually people just go and get a testing kit and test after 2 weeks if they are pregnant or not. But today I want to tell you of ways you can notice without the test. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to tell you the first sign and symptom that you're going to see. Drum roll, please. So in the first week, you're not even pregnant. You said, well, there's no insertion, there's nothing as yet. You're just not pregnant. So say you have sexual intercourse today, you don't get pregnant then. You then get pregnant after 2 weeks, from 2 to 3 weeks. That's when we get the insertion. That's when a fertilized egg will insert was, that is pregnancy, conception. Blah. Scary stuff, isn't it? Because it's responsibility. But how do you know that you have had insertion? There's something that we call spotting. Okay, so spotting is when you see a drop or your panties. You can maybe sometimes you don't get the drops. You just get like some stomach cramps after about 2 weeks of you having missed your period. We measure the period of pregnancy using the last date you should have gone for your period. Say you were supposed to go yesterday, and you miss your period. That's when we start to count for you. You see that you gain weight. If you were weighing about 53 kgs, you start weighing about 58 or even more. You also figure out that your breast will grow fatter and more roundier. Also, the areola will expand. It becomes also soft, and a black line that is from your navel down to your pubic area. This black line is usually just darker in other people. Yeah. You also experience an urge to vomit. We call it nausea. Sometimes you actually vomit when you smell something that you don't like. You develop attitudes. You also have cravings. So now I'm no longer numbering it. I'm just saying it out there. If you have those symptoms, you might consider getting tested for a pregnancy. You have headaches also. From time to time you'll be having headaches. You're pregnant. Also, you should also notice that sometimes when you're pregnant, the discharge or the vaginal discharges will be different. Usually it's normal for a woman to have white discharge or colorless, odorless discharge, but you figure out that when you're pregnant, the discharge will be different from the usual one. Also, there are some other abnormal discharges that you may mistake for the discharge that you have when you're pregnant. You see a yellow cheese-like discharge. It just shows that you have an infection. A pinkish discharge will just show that you are having like a lot of activity and your cervix have been pumped on several times. Is it a pound? Yeah, maybe pound is the right word for that. Importantly, I would like to urge girls that after you have sexual intercourse, unprotected sexual intercourse, and after it's been 2 weeks and you've missed your period, you're most probably very, very pregnant. And also, you should consider getting a professional testing kit. They are very cheap, apparently about 50 or half a dollar, 50 cents. Yeah, and get tested and get professional counseling if you're not yet married. If you are married, then you might surprise your husband. Congratulations. But most women in their second trimester, their sex drive shoots. Yeah, so they also become very active. Some of them will just take this opportunity to exercise and make sure that their delivery will be easier or maybe less painful, I would like to think. I also think that this is a good period to start working out and making sure that you don't lose that sexy body. Hey guys, please, if you like my content, subscribe. If you feel like there are a lot of things that I have to change, you should just put it in the comment section and I'll be happy to comply. If you also think that there are other videos that I can make and that we can discuss on, you can also comment and like my videos. Thank you very much for listening. Ciao.